Everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today we're going to cook a steak in the New Wave oven. We're also going to make a salad, boiled potatoes, and vegetables steamed as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with the potatoes. They take the longest. Okay, so I have these potatoes all set, ready. I'm just going to put them in the water like this, and I'm going to throw them on the stove. Okay, stove is on and going. Let those go for a few minutes. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a salad. So for the salad, we'll grab a salad bowl. The first easy thing is the celery and a carrot mixture. I chop these up in advance. If you want, you can just chop them up a little bit more if they're a little too coarse. These are pretty close to being pretty good. All right, so celery. Here's some more. I just keep it in the refrigerator so it's easy to make salads. Okay. The lettuce, you just take the head and just bang it like that. Breaks the end. All you have to do then is open it up and pull the lettuce out of it. There's the lettuce. Next is some tomatoes. I use the cherry tomatoes. I like them best. They last the longest. Throw some of them in there. Okay, next is red pepper. Red pepper, we're going to cut around the top. I'm going to reach in with my thumb and pull back. Now I just take this, cut it in half, and then I can lay it out like this. I'm just going to take about this much of it. These have all been rinsed. Some people rinse in vinegar, some people rinse in water. You can rinse in vinegar and then wash the vinegar off with water. Works well. Just going to cut these up into small portions. One misnomer about peppers, people think the red ones are hotter than the green or the yellow ones. Somebody told me that's not the case. They sell more red ones than they do any other color. That's why they mix them all together. Now, the cucumber. I got a little bit of a problem with my cucumbers because my refrigerator was running too cold and my cucumbers froze. So my cucumber is less than perfect here, which is okay. It'll still taste well. It's just going to cut a little different than a cucumber does. I've had it out for a little bit while I got the dinner preparations laid out here. There we go. Put that in there. Okay, that's all set. Now, carrots. Carrots are pretty strong. I don't use a lot of them. I just had that knife aiming away from my fingers. I had my fingers bent back around in a claw. There you go. Use a scraper instead of using the knife to pick stuff up. It's safer. That's all done. Okay, there's your salad. Looks real good. I think for salad dressing, I'm just going to probably use some of my balsamic today. I have, I have a chocolate. I have pecan. I think today I'll just do the pecan. So pecan balsamic salad dressing. That's what I'm going to put on the salad. And Now, I just need to check the potatoes really fast. Strainer. Potatoes are out of the strainer. Set them aside. Put some more water in. So now I have some water back in my pan. I'm just going to take broccoli, put that in there. These are some big carrots. They're left over. I cut them the other day for a different meal. Put them in here. Throw these back on the stove. Let them sit for a little bit. Not very long. And just double check on the temperature of this. This is almost done. So we'll let that sit for a little bit. And then when that beeps, that'll be all done. And I'll get the plate and plate things up as well. Okay. So here's for the steak. Here's for the salad. Okay, steak, salad. As a matter of fact, I'm going to make this look all nice and fancy. So here's the salad. This is going to be for the steak. Steak is done. Whew, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Depending on the size of your steak, you cook it at a different temperature. It might be 3, 4, 5 minutes per side. One of the things I did that I cheated with this was, because it was thawed already, I just took a frying pan, put a little bit of olive oil in it, and I put it in the frying pan, and I got the pan hot. I just put it in there and turned it over a couple of times, and then I threw it in the new wave oven. So it was already brown that way. So that's all set there. Now the vegetables should be set and ready to go. Turn that broccoli over, show off the good side of it. This is going to be for the potatoes. Here's the potatoes. Now you can season these however you want. Salt, pepper, butter, put on whatever you want. I'm a diabetic, so there's no sugar in anything. It's basically all good, hearty things to eat. So there's also no bread in this, as much as I love bread. Here you go. This was a fast meal. Didn't take long. It's the basics. Thank you for coming and watching the show for a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button now. Click on the bell button. When we drop a new video, you'll get notified. And for the ingredients, proportions, and instructions, go to our website, which is on blogspot.com. So it's jamestdds.blogspot.com. See you next time.